It's not sticking!
We've been cheated.
Okay, that's the problem. Now what?
Oh, I know why. I ripped out the stickiness.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Dan Cam. It's been a while and I hope everyone is home and safe. And today, speaking of being at home, since we are stuck at home, Sean and I have decided to do a little DIY project, and we are going to make our own like a studio light with just a cake pan and some LED lights. So it's actually just for fun. We can actually just buy another light. But we have nothing better to do. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Yep. Okay, so maybe you can just run us through what you have bought online.
Alright, so I bought the main LED light strips. When I have a bunch of so this one here is quite interesting, because initially when I bought the LED lights, it didn't come with something that I can adjust remotely in terms of the brightness. So I actually managed to find this contraption here. So it has a remote and it has this wireless receiver that will adjust the brightness of the LED strips.
Okay.
So and then we have this, which is basically a cake pan. This is the biggest one I could find. And then I bought some diffusion sheets.
Okay. So how it's gonna work is that this is the light body, and the LED is gonna be stuck to the surface, and we have the diffusion paper on top, and then we can control it with the remote control. Okay, yeah. So let's see how it goes.
I mean, by the way, this isn't like our idea or anything. We kind of I saw this on the Daniel Schiffer's channel, yeah. And I just thought that what if we did it try it in Singapore and see how much it costs. So actually, in his video he said it was about 40 USD, which actually in Singapore, honestly, with all the shipping, it's actually a lot cheaper.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, that's good. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so before we start putting in the LEDs, we have decided that we are going to put this connector, wire connector, whatever you call it, at the bottom here, so that we can drill a hole right through from this side to this side. Alright, and this thing is gonna connect here at the back. Alright, because this is the receiver for the remote and it has to be hanging out so that we can control the LED.
I mean, I did some testing beforehand, and I noticed that if I put the power on, I could control the brightness from the top like this with clear connection. But then if I would test it from the bottom, it will have interference with the wireless receiver. So this has to be exposed so that we can remotely control the lights. Yeah. So which is why we decided to drill the hole from the back so it looks nicer. But with that, ta-da! Okay, so now it works. Ta-da! Nice. Okay, and that's my experiment. If I do this, you see the receiver, because of the obstruction, the wireless doesn't really.
Okay, so let's say it's like that, and I'm filming. Wait, can you even see me? I'm filming, and then I want the light to turn on. Bam!
And brighten, darken, and brighten.
Neat! Okay, now we have to stick the LED. Why is it not sticky?
I think the initial part is not sticky.
It's not sticky at all, dude.
It's not? Oh no, we got cheated.
It's not sticking!
Oh, I know why. I ripped out the stickiness. Okay, I tell you what. We start from here.
Oh no. I filled out the sticky layer.
Yeah, I know. So why don't we start sticking from here?
Then this one how?
We can use the super glue.
Okay.
So you lay it out, and then from here you continue on.
Look at that beauty.
So ugly.
Okay, but nobody's gonna see, so it doesn't matter. Now, the only thing that matters is, does it work?
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. It ain't working. Wait. Why is it only like one strip? What's happening?
Are we being scammed?
You really could see the outside. Oh my god. Did we just get scammed?
Oh, wait. Oh, I see.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Wait, what?
Oh, okay. So I guess we gotta tape this up.
Hey.
Let's go.
We cool.
Let's go.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you'll never use that.
Nope. Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Damn, boy.
Okay, I'm getting a little bit. It's like cuttlefish attacking me right now.
Okay, dude. Now what?
Now let's cover this up with diffusion sheet. Where's my diffusion sheet? There we are.
Okay, that's a lot of diffusion sheet actually. Now we just need to find a way to mount it up, and we have our own DIY studio light.
We
cannot lose that, else we can't turn it on. Okay,
Cables.
you can use this for your Zoom lessons.
Yes. Finally.
Alright.
This is nice. I mean, it's a bit small. I hope that it will be bigger.
Okay, let's use this light to end off the video. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching my brother and I make a mess out of this room just to make this DIY light. But it's pretty legit, you know, we are quite impressed with the results. I mean, after watching Daniel Schiffer, we thought it'd be quite fun to do it. So, you know, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Ciao!